To secure Azure SQL scale-up, start by understanding the importance of security in cloud-based databases. Azure SQL is a cloud-based relational database service that provides a secure and reliable way to store and manage data. First, enable encryption for data at rest and in transit. This can be done by enabling transparent data encryption, which encrypts data stored on disk, and by using secure connections, such as SSL/TLS, to encrypt data in transit. Next, secure access to your Azure SQL database by creating a server-level firewall rule that only allows incoming connections from specific IP addresses. You can also use Azure Active Directory authentication to authenticate users and authorize access to the database. Another key step is to implement least privilege access, which means granting users only the necessary permissions to perform their tasks. This can be done by creating custom roles and assigning them to users, rather than using the default administrator role. Regularly monitor and audit your Azure SQL database for security threats and vulnerabilities. You can use Azure Security Center to identify potential security risks and implement recommendations to mitigate them. Additionally, keep your Azure SQL database up to date with the latest security patches and updates. This can be done by enabling automatic patching, which ensures that your database is always running with the latest security fixes. Finally, use Azure SQL database features, such as threat detection and vulnerability assessment, to identify and mitigate potential security risks. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your Azure SQL scale-up is secure and protected against potential security threats.